Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the S&P 500 futures chart after yesterday's explosive moves towards the upside. Just before we get into today's video, anyone who's interested in receiving my trading signals, then please scan this QR code, which will take you to my website where you can then subscribe to my service. I charge a very small joining fee of $39.99 to join my signal group. But let's start here by looking at the S&P 500. We exploded towards the upside. We had Jerome Powell come out yesterday, and I did warn you guys during yesterday's YouTube video that the risk was definitely for a dovish statement due to the fact most investors were expecting Powell to come out and just say, look guys, we're going to continue to hike interest rates, inflation's still a threat, but we didn't get that. We had Powell come out and he basically admitted that the Fed had recognized that inflation had come down significantly. Going to be data dependent, which is fantastic news because us as investors, we all know that the data is becoming more and more dovish. Inflation is falling like a rock. So the markets cheered Jerome Powell's statement yesterday, and the S&P 500 ended yesterday's trading session up 1.5%, and we're now trading up near that 0.5 fib area. This was one of my targets. This is an area where I had been mentioning over on my signal team that we would be targeting in the coming days and weeks. So, just talking about my signal team, so far this year, we've had a fantastic start to 2023. We're up 13.2%. The month of January, we ended up 9.9%. So a massive well done to everyone who is part of my signal team. If you would like to join, don't forget you can scan this QR code on your screen. But the big question is, where does the S&P 500 go next? I still believe we could trade up to really go and test that 4,160 area where that 0.5 fib area is. But you've got to be aware that that RSI is now starting to become slightly overbought. It's currently trading at around 67.38. So I would definitely expect a minor pullback at some point, maybe next week. But I currently look at this market, and any dip that does occur should be a buying opportunity. More importantly, what you really need to be focusing on is this bullish crossover. We have that 50-day EMA, which really attempting now to cross over that 200-day EMA, and that, of course, is historically a very strong buying signal.